Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hey guys, today we will do the unboxing for the Philips Airfryer HD9252/90, a digital control panel. You can see the specifications of this air fryer. You can fry, bake, grill and cook your food. It's come with 2-year guarantee. Let's open it. Okay, this is the user manual and it's a bar QR code for the Nutri app. You can see. Okay, we'll keep it aside. See, it's from Philips. This is the detail for the Nutri app. Okay, let's have open. I remove this tape, remove these stickers. Should have to. Here is one more tape removed. Okay, it came out. This is okay. Now it's on. I need to touch here. You can see. This is temperature. You can set the temperature, increase or decrease. This is a menu button. You can select the menus, different menus, 7%, and the temperature is time is there, 24, 23. Then every recipe have a different time and temperature. This is warm up only, and after that you can adjust your time here if you want to cook anything. When you finish, just click it again here. Okay guys, let's suppose you have select your recipe. Let's suppose I will put it on warm up only. After that I will start this button and it will start heating up. Okay, so if I want to pause this one, I will click and it's pause. Let's suppose it's running and I will open this. Okay, it will automatically stop. When it again I will put inside, sit properly, then I get this again option for stop or on. That is, it's a pause, it's running, it stopped. I will show you what is inside that, okay, how it's heat. So this is only the first video that someone is going to show you what is inside. You see, here is one filament like a coil, and above this coil you can see one blower is there for circulating the air. You can see I have French fries in this fryer, and you can see the result, crispy without oil, too much oil. And second, I have cooked the pizza, and you can see how it's delicious look like. Thank you for watching.